Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Sons of the Forest game not launching or not opening or unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have the required spec that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go to the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. Well, if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to select the game, and after that make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update option, click on check for update. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, next solution is to run the game as administrators. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game, that is exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Site opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. It will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it, and here you will get a repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, click on yes, and wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and then again launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -DX11, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update the game. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Developers often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is any update available for the game, and after updating the game, launch it and then check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users just click on Steam, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your system restarts, again launch Steam, and finally reinstall Sons of the Forest game, and then click on the play button to check if it's working now.